Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how not to hard code your file name and then get the input file name from the user, okay? And then I'm going to show you a different way to open the file using the whisk, the whisk statement, okay? Yeah. All right. Okay, so let's get started. So here will be the testing file. Okay, I have prepared. It's called data.txt. It has about 6 records. Okay, and then usually we will perform 3 steps to process the file. Right? The open, the close, and then in between you're gonna write code to process the data. For beginners, here is my recommendation. I mean, you can hard code the file name is fine, and then make sure that you will be able to open the file, either read it or write it. In this case, we'll be reading the data, and then close it first. Close it. And then processing later. Okay, yeah. So let me try to run the program. Okay, yeah. Let me minimize this one. Okay, yeah. And then run the program. So far, so good. And the reason I put a done over here is that I can make sure that the program execution has reached this step over here. Okay, yeah. All right. And then now, with that have been checked correctly, then I will just again just read one line and print it. Okay, when you read something, print something, make sure that the way you think is the same as the computer. So I just use the in file that read one line and then store it into a temporary variable and print out the content. So theoretically, after I execute this statement, this set of code, it should print out 10.5. Okay, yeah, you will read the first line here and print out 10.5. So let me check it. So also good. And if you want to, I mean, you can duplicate the code to make sure that your program will be able to read the second record as well. Okay, yeah. So let me try it. So far so good. Okay, so far so good. There, right? All right. As for why there's a blank line over there, we'll talk about it later. Okay, yeah. But then again, this approach allow you to open the file, read the content, and then close the file. Always make sure that you have a statement to close the file. However, the code have been the file name have been hard coded, so it won't be very user friendly if the end user decide to change the file name, because it had to come to the source code and then change it. Okay, so it's pretty not user friendly. Okay, yeah. So let me comment it out. Okay, so what will be the better way to do it? A better way to do it will be kind of use the same logic. Right, same logic. Yeah, nothing new at all. Let me show you the comparison. Right, yeah, over here, open, but then instead of hard code the file name, then this time you prompt the end user to enter the file name. Okay, and the same, the same. Close it. Right, close it. And if you want to, I mean, you can even print out the file name to do some double checking. Again, no hurry to read the content. Just make sure that you will be able to prompt the user to enter the file name and then open it up, close it. That's it. Nothing fancy at the beginning. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, yeah, let me run it. So now I prompt the user to enter the file name, and I know that in the same directory of my source code, x file name.py, there is a file called data.txt. So make sure the file is there. Then I'm going to enter the file name, data.txt. So far, so good. All right, now again, I mean, how can I read the file? So this time, I will just read all the records here. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to use a for loop to do that. Okay, yeah. Use for loop to do that. Okay, yeah. And again, I'm going to read it and then print it. Okay, yeah. Read it and print it. As for this statement, I will mention about it later. Okay, yeah. So let me run it. And then it prompt the user to enter the file name. Okay, so let me try data.txt. Boom, that's it. Okay, so you can see that using for loop, you read one line, okay, and then print it, read another line and print it. Okay, so that's why we got to get all those output. But then you say, well, why there is okay, a blank line over there? Okay, if you use Microsoft Word, okay, yeah, if you use Microsoft Word, okay, to open the same file, okay, and then you turn on the hide and hidden symbol, okay, then you can see that, oh, there is the so-called paragraph terminate marker. Okay, so actually this is the you can think of as the new line marker. Okay, so that's why when the program reading one line, actually it reading the end of line marker as well. So when you try to print it, okay, so after you print this 10.05, it will automatically print out the new line as well. Okay, yeah. So again, how do you remove it? Okay, yeah. So okay, that's why there is a statement over here you can use. Okay, yeah, just to call after you read the input line, just call the write script to remove the new line character. So now, okay, if we run the program again, sorry, yeah. So let me see. So if I run the program again, okay, yeah. So let me see, yeah. Okay, so give me a minute, and then I type data dot txt. Then there you go. Okay, so now you can see that all those new lines will be removed because of this. We added this statement over here. So it's putting it, and then again, now you really don't need to print the file name. You can comment it out, yeah, if you want to. Okay, yeah. So let me try it again. Data.txt. And the good thing about it is that if let's say, let me duplicate this one. Okay, yeah. If there is a file with let's say different input file name, yeah, you want to process, then let me call this one maybe data2, yeah, and just to kind of make it has more data in there, I just copy all 6 of them, paste, okay, yeah, and then save it, okay, save it. And then now, after testing, my code works fine. Then if I need to read some more big data, then I can try something like this. Then without go back to my source code to change the file name. Then I can just run it again. Boom, that's it. That's it. All right, so this is one approach using the open statement. Okay, yeah. But then there are another approach to do that. Okay, yeah. So let me comment this set of statement out. So you can use the so-called oh, I need to comment this one now too. Yeah. So use the so-called with statement. Okay, yeah. So I think that the book we are using did not mention about this one. Okay, so let me show you the code. Okay, yeah. So you can use the oh, I have to outline this one. Yeah. So you can use the with keyword. Okay, yeah. With keyword, and then open, and then file name, and then read only as in file. This is file handler. Whatever name you want to use it is fine, but to keep it simple, like the one over here, I try to use the same name, and then use the for loop to read the content, and then remove the end of line character and print it out. Okay, yeah. So let's check it out. Okay, yeah. All right. So let me run the data.txt first. Okay, yeah. Pretty good. So far, so good. So again, that's it. So this is the with using the with. The benefit of using the traditional open close versus with approach is that if you use with, I mean, you don't need to write a statement to close the file. Okay, yeah, to close the file. That is the I would say the big difference. But to me, which one you want to use really doesn't matter. But if you want to use open, yeah, this approach, yeah, this traditional approach, make sure that you close the file. Okay, you have a statement to close the file. I think that that will be all. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I hope that through the example over here, you know how to prompt the user to enter the file name. Can be input, can be output, it really doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, and then open it up, and then do some processing and close it. So again, let me try again now. If I want to try to read the data too, let's see what the output will be. Yeah, everything works fine using the whiskey. So all right, okay, so I'm going to stop the recording. I hope that this is useful to you. Okay, yep.